Welcome to all the children of class 9 to the second video of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about the syllabus of second term. Already you know very well that you have first term and second term. Let us see the syllabus of second term. Like any other exam, you have 4 sections. Section A reading, Section B writing, Section C grammar and Section D literature. For Section A, you have 2 unseen passages. Allotted marks 10, total marks 50. In the 10 marks are allotted for unseen passages. Second is Section B writing. You have descriptive paragraph, diary. Short story, second one is short story based on beginning line, outline, cues, etc. It is totally connected with term 1 question paper. And grammar, tenses, subject verb concord, models, determiners, reported speech. Except exclamatory, they are asking other 3 types. Commands and request, we call it as imperative. Statement and questions. Question nothing but interrogative. And we have 2 types of questions with WH words and question with if, which will give if or whether. And so total marks allotted 10 marks. There is no separate marks for writing and no bifurcation. They have not made it the bifurcation. Totally for these 2 sections, writing section and grammar section, they allotted 10 marks. Now let us go to literature. And you have 2 books, lessons, poems, English reader, then supplementary reader. In lessons, let us see the topics. Packing, reach for the top, the bond of love, and if I were you. So 4 topics from English reader lessons. There are 3 poems for second term. First one is No Men Are Foreign. Second one on killing a tree. Last poem is The Snake Trying. So now let us go to supplementary reader. First topic is Weathering the Storm in Irsama. Second is The Last Leaf. Third topic is A House is Not a Home. Last one is The Beggar. For all these things together, you have 20 marks. So let us see the total marks. 10 for Section A reading, 10 for writing and grammar, and 20 marks for literature. So total marks 40. Internal assessment, ASL and other works which will be given by your teacher, 10 marks. So total, grand total 50 marks. Children of class 9, you are in the habit of neglecting your studies. You will think you will concentrate on 10th. See, you see lot of, you can take this, check the syllabus. There is lot of similarities in the grammar section of class 9 and 10, almost same. So you should concentrate. Unless you concentrate in 9th, you cannot do well in 10th class. So kindly concentrate, kindly pay attention. So that's all from my side. Thank you.